Hey y'all, um, this is going to be an unboxing of the Oracle of Ascendance, and I just got this deck day before yesterday. Today is Wednesday, April the 7th, so I got it 2 days ago, Monday on the 5th. But anyway, it's by Philip J. Adamczyk and Sherry Jo Posselt, and it's by U.S. Games, and it says the Oracle of Ascendance is your personal guide on your journey to understanding the realms within and beyond our known universe. Each of the 72 cards in this deck presents a powerful symbol from one of 7 metaphysical systems: ancient symbols, chakras, elements, planets, stars, Reiki, and zodiac symbols. If you focus on the energetic vibrations within and trust your intuition, you may find that the cards and the power behind the imagery speak to you directly. The illustrated guidebook provides you with deeper knowledge and insightful interpretations for each card. This oracle helps you open doors to cosmic truths, inner growth, and higher consciousness. Whether you draw a single card or delve into an area of inquiry, Oracle of Ascendance will answer your questions. Okay. All right. Let's open the deck. See what it's about. Here's the guidebook on top. It's it's a guidebook. I mean, what else can I say? Okay. Here are the cards. Oh, the back is pretty. Look at that, y'all. The first card on top is the Ankh, okay? They'll open this thing with a letter opener. And I'm just going to show you guys the cards. Just going to flip them over. I'll leave them right here. This is the Ankh. Caduceus. I guess I'm pronouncing it right. If I'm not, y'all can tell me how it's pronounced. The Cross. The Eye of Horus. The Hand of Fatima. The Symbol of Infinity. The Om symbol. The Sigil of Atlantis. The Sigil of Avalon. I gotta look some of these things up because I'm not familiar with this Sigil of Avalon. That's interesting. Of course, the Tree of Life, or the Kabbalah, or whatever you want to call it. Kether, which is Sephiroth. Chakma. Bina. Chesed. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing these things right, y'all. Y'all correct me in the comments. Geberah. Tippereth. These are chakras, of course, but I'm not good with the pronunciations. This is a heart chakra. Netzach, I guess. I don't know. Had. Yesod. Malkuth. The Treskel symbol. The root chakra, of course. Sacral chakra. Solar plexus. Heart chakra. Throat chakra. Third eye chakra. Crown chakra. Element of earth. Element of air. Element of fire. Element of water. Element of spirit. The sun. The moon. Mercury. Venus. Earth. Mars. Jupiter. Saturn. Uranus. Neptune. Pluto. Now I have no idea what this is. This is Chokurie. Chokure. This is a Reiki symbol, so I'm not sure how to pronounce it. This is another symbol. Seiheki. Sahi Kai, I guess. Who knows? Sorry about that, y'all. This is Hansha Zeisho Nin. I'm not sure. You can see it, you know, for yourself right there. I don't know how to pronounce it. Another symbol, Daikomo. Raku. This is Kundalini. This is Halil. I do know how to pronounce this one. This is Asunda. AIO. Not sure. This is the pentagram. Oops, sorry about that. This is a hexagram. This is a septagram. This is an octagram. Nonogram. Not sure. Dodecagram or whatever. Not sure. Capricorn. Aquarius. Oh, I like the astrological cards. Pisces. Hope you guys can see that really well. Aries. Taurus, Gemini, Cancer. That's cute. Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Ouroboros, I'm not sure what the hell that is, and Sagittarius. I think I'm going to go through the guidebook and pick out one of these. Let me see. Pick one out and read it. Okay, I'm going to read Halil from the guidebook. Page 77. Okay, it says Halil is the first of the three base symbols in elemental trinity healing, meaning goodness, greatness, and light. Its energies resonate strictly with the earth, the material, the physical-based plane of existence, and the groundedness and solidity of all things. It is the foundation that holds together the manifested. When this card appears, the answer to your question is based solely in the energies of the physical realm, which leads to the self-reflective question, quote, is this for the betterment of myself and others? If the answer is no, then you must work from the physical level to resolve the issue. This could be through speech, physical labor, or communication. Within Halil is the all and the nothing, the infinity. So it is also appropriate to reference the messages contained in that corresponding card as well. This is interesting, y'all. Not sure how I'm going to use this deck, but it is very interesting. So yeah, you all got a chance to see the cards. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Sorry I couldn't pronounce all the words. The Oracle of Ascendance. I will see you guys in the next video.